The splicer's operation mode is the setting that determines the level of automation you want the splicer to contribute to your process. So start your setup by choosing an operation mode that matches your workflow. This can be changed at any point, so don't hesitate to try different options when figuring out what works best for you. Turn your splicer on and go to Home, then Splice Settings, then Fundamental Settings. In the Fundamental Settings menu, select Operation Mode. This allows you to choose the level of automation you wish to use in your splicing process. With the 90R, you have 4 operation mode options to choose from: Auto, Normal, Manual, and Customized. Auto operation mode offers full automation from start to finish. Once you set the fiber holders in the splicer, the machine takes over from there. In the normal operation mode, the splicer automatically starts when you set the fiber holders in the splicer, but then requires you to press the set key to open the wind protector and proof test the fibers after the splice.